guys, going down dirty today. I got some updates on the Triangle House project. Finally, you can see in the background, we've got some solar on. Finally finished the wall of glazing in the front. Show you guys a little before and after this, walk you through, catch you up. Working on getting our roofs done now inside. All right. Okay, here we are a couple weeks ago, actually probably over a month ago. These guys are going super slow. Tearing apart the original facade of the Triangle House. Had a really small door with side lights downstairs. These guys got it open pretty quickly. It's not much to these fronts. Again, this is like huge bang for the buck. And we did in the original A-frame. You can really do this to almost any house that's got a decent facade. Here they are, completely taking out everything. Came back here a couple days later. Really simple framing, 2 headers, 3 rows of windows. We use a big wide slider on the bottom. That's got 1 slider in the middle with 2 fixed panels on either end. Really economical way to get a lot of glass in the front. I'm going to show you guys back here. These guys are tearing apart the main bathroom that we're going to completely reconfigure, and we're doing a little bit of framing and whatnot to the bedrooms on either side. The main thing we're doing is pulling out the washer and dryer and the water heater, which was in the middle of the bathroom, outside of the bathroom. We're going to have a new vanity there. We're actually going to have a double shower here where the water heater is, with the window. Shower heads on both sides of that wall, just because it's such a big opening. We want to do something kind of cool. New toilet would be going there with a little knee wall, kind of giving it a little bit of privacy. We kind of robbed a little bit of this bedroom. We took out some closet space that we didn't really need, made the closet smaller, and that allowed us to get the vanity where we wanted it to, and just made everything come into place. So nothing major here, just some kind of clever framing that's really going to make a big difference in this bathroom. Allow it to be much more shareable between people sharing these bedrooms. Head back out. This header is still here. You can see in the top left there with that beautiful little detail. We are about to take that out along with that wall, and that's really going to open things out throughout here and get all this light that's pouring in here deeper into the house, into the kitchen and dining areas. Now, Anderson actually messed up and sent us 2 identical windows instead of mirrors of each other, so we had to wait 3 or 4 weeks for them to come. And here we are. They just got them all installed. We also had to clear out some trees back here because the clients wanted to have some solar PV. We have solar PV on that side, plus there, which you can barely see, just kind of a sliver on top of there. This is the backyard. I wanted to create some kind of interest, so we've framed a kind of decorative fence wall. The guys put the fencing the wrong way, so they got to come and reverse it. But this is our fire pit area. Used to be a playground. We brought in gravel. We are going to stain this fence with this black pine tar and linseed oil, 50-50 mixture, like we have used a bunch in other projects. It's going to be really cool, surrounded by this fence looking up at the trees. Alright, let me finish showing you guys the rest of this house. So here we are in the front. They've finally got all the windows in, flashed, ready to bring the cladding back. You can see our solar down there on the right, bottom right. This has made a huge difference, the biggest change we're making in the house. And you can see we got this beam out and this wall out. You can walk right through here. This light is just pouring through the building. Opened everything up. We got a lot of junk in the way still. We got our drywall, our flooring. And I'll just show you really quickly, these guys have pretty much done framing and roughing in the bathroom and the bedrooms back here. So you can see the water heater is going to go on the left where that red and blue PEX is. And the washer and dryer is going to go on the right. So that's going to be open to the hallway, much more functional. Anybody can use the washer and dryer without going into the bathroom now. And the bathroom is just going to be a little more flexible. We're going to have a big custom concrete vanity with custom shelves below it, drawers that I designed that's been CNC'd out of plywood. That's going to be our double shower. new lighting and everything going in, and then our toilet there. We tore out the closet in this bedroom. This is a really small bedroom, so we're going to put that bed underneath that window there, taking that closet out, which we really don't need. This is going way upstairs to the other bathroom, third bathroom. We're going to put a small soaking tub there and shower. We're going to have a new wall here in this bedroom, and then you're going to get a little view out to the backyard here. We'll have a hot tub to the left, and then there is our fire pit area we showed you guys earlier. Thanks for watching, guys. Please click subscribe, like, all that boring stuff. If you like this, share with your friends. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys hopefully in another week. Thanks. Bye-bye.